Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix ISDone.dll and ArcDLL error. So if you encounter this a dynamic link library error, this is relates into or when you install uh, repack PC games or file or software that have a large size. So here we go. A The ISDone.dll or unarc.dll error in Windows 10 or 11 is mostly related to the installation of PC games as well as programs with a large size. Large games or programs have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. So this will eat up your PC RAM as well as hard drive. Well, while installation, if your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So the first method, you can try to increase your Windows page file or virtual memory by hold the Windows key and R button, and you can type sysdm.cpl sysdm.cpl. Click OK. Then the system properties will launch and you can click advanced, click on performance settings, then click on a advanced. Again here virtual memory, you can change it here. So you can untick the automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Here you can click on custom size. You can fill the blank here based on your RAM of your laptop or RAM of your PC here. For example, for most games 2.5 GB is enough, so the values which will work in most cases is 400 and 3000. Note that the values are in megabyte, so this is so this set the maximum paging file size to tune of 3 GB. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the button below. See you in the next video.